Hello everyone, today we're going to go over standard form and slope-intercept form, okay? Now, their x-intercept and the y-intercept, okay? We're going to do that for both. So let's start with standard form first. So standard form is in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, okay? So an example of what standard form will look like is, and let's just put examples here, 2x plus 3y equals 5, where this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. Another example could be what we've been working on, 5s plus 10a equals 3,000. Although we have s and a, it's still it'll still work the same way. Okay? Now, from this, how do we find the x and y intercepts? Now, first we got to ask ourselves, what is an x-intercept and what is a y-intercept? Okay? So, x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. So, in order to do that, we set y equal to 0. So, let's just pick an example. Let's do this one here. Okay. And what we do to find the x-intercept, set y equal to 0. So we're going to go ahead and 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 5. 3 times 0 is 0, so you're going to get 2x equals 5 divided by 2 divided by 2. X equals 5 over 2. This is my x-intercept, and when we write it in the coordinate points, it's 5 over 2 comma 0. This is it. Okay? Now, the y-intercept is very similar. Y-intercept, we're going to set x equal to 0. So, what's our equation again? 2x plus 3y equals 5. Yeah. Set x equal to 0. So 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 5. 3y equals 5. Divided by 3. Divided by 3. Y equals 5 over 3. This is our y-intercept. Okay? X-intercept, y-intercept. Okay, so now what we're going to do the same thing with slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b, where m and b are real numbers. So let's take an example. Y equals 2x plus 3. 2 is our slope. This is our y-intercept. And again, slope, y-intercept. Same thing as this y-intercept here. but because it's in a different form, you get it in a different place. Okay? This one's very straightforward. Okay, there's no setting this or that. Now, if we did want to find the x-intercept and y-intercept, well, y-intercept is already given to you in the equation, but let's say we want to find the x-intercept. And again, we'll use the same example. Y equals 2x plus 3. Let's go ahead and set y equal to 0. Okay? 0 equals 2x plus 3. Subtract 3 to both sides. Negative 3 equals 2x. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. And there you go. Negative 3 over 2 equals x. That's our x-intercept. Okay? So y-intercept we got here. X-intercept we got here. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to go from one form to the other. So, standard form to slope-intercept form. And you know what we're going to do? Let's use the same example here. 2x plus 3y equals 5. 2x plus 3y equals 5. And what do these look like again? Right, different color. ax plus by equals c. Y equals mx plus b. Okay? So, in order to go from standard form to slope-intercept form, we see that the y is by itself. So, let's get the y by itself. Subtract 2x to both sides. You're going to get 3y equals negative 2x plus 5. It doesn't look like slope-intercept form yet, so we just got to divide by 3. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5 over 3. That's it. This form now looks like slope-intercept form. Okay? Now, let's go back. Slope-intercept form, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5 over 3. Well, let's add 2/3 x to both sides. And you're going to have 2/3 x plus 5 equals 5 over 3. And let's go ahead and get rid of the fraction. Multiply by 3. Technically, you could have been done there, but I'm going to go one step further to show you guys something. These cancel. This 3 multiplies here and then multiplies here. So you're going to get 6 over 3x plus 3y equals 5. And then 6 over 3 is 2. And check it out. 2x plus 3y equals 5. 2x plus 3y equals 5. They're the same thing. Same thing. Okay? So you just went from one form to the other. And you now know also how to get the x-intercepts, y-intercept for both forms. This was a really quick video, but hopefully it was good and it helped you understand the differences between the two. Next time I'll show some actual graphs. Alright everyone, see you next time.